What you working on?
327. That's what I'm working on.
Okay.
I'm resizing the rods.
It's a new 327, not the one that we've been building. Similar job.
The other 327 left today.
Yep. It did. Along with the 383.
Yep.
They went bye-bye.
But I'm resizing the OEM rod with ARP bolts.
Okay.
So I'm about done.
That's your last one?
Yep.
Do that again?
Yep.
Not quite. Got a little more to do. Hey, don't go anywhere. Do that some
I
more.
can only do it so long or to get too big. So it's not up to you.
Well, it should be.
It's not.
I think it should be.
It's not.
Mm-hmm.
So there.
So there.
Okay.
Is it round?
These are done.
Yay, good job.